The iPhone 16 is here, and it's raising the bar for smartphone photography and video. Let's break down the biggest updates that make this camera a game changer. First, let's talk about the 5x optical zoom on the Pro models. Unlike digital zoom, which can make your images look pixelated and grainy, optical zoom uses the camera lenses to magnify your subject while keeping the image quality intact. This means you get close-up shots that are as sharp and detailed as if you were standing right next to your subject. Filming in 4K at 120 frames per second is like having your own mini movie studio in your pocket. Shooting at a higher frame rate makes motion look smooth and polished, while still keeping that jaw-dropping 4K clarity. And if you want to get really creative with extreme slow motion effects, you can film in 1080p at 240 frames per second. If color and editing are your thing, you're going to love the new ProRes log in 4K. It lets you film a flat color profile, which gives you way more flexibility when you're tweaking colors and adjusting shadows in post-production. And get this, you can even record directly onto an external drive in 4K at 60 frames per second. For anyone dreaming of professional cinema quality content right from their phone, this is a total game changer. Lastly, the iPhone 16's enhanced stabilization is here to save the day for those action-packed shots. It keeps your videos smooth and steady even when you're on the move. Whether you're running, biking, or just capturing busy street scenes, no more wobbly or shaky footage. So yeah, the iPhone 16 camera isn't just an upgrade. It's basically your all-in-one pro photography and video studio that you can carry around every day. Ready to see what you can create?